Okay, let's go over homework 2.4, 2.5, number 6. All right, so we want to take the derivative of this rational function. All right, so let's do that. All right, probably the easiest way is to just multiply out the numerator. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so x times 3x gives you 3x squared, right? Then x times negative 7 would be negative 7x, right? Right, then you have 1 times 3x is 3x, of course, and 1 times negative 7 is negative 7, right? Then a denominator is the same, 3x plus 1. All right, then we can just combine negative 7x and the 3x. We get 3x squared minus 4x minus 7. All right, over 3x plus 1. Right? All right, then let's take the derivative just applying quotient rule. So f prime of x is equal to, right? So square the bottom. So we have a quantity 3x plus 1 squared, right? Derivative of the top is 6x and minus 4. Right, derivative of negative 7 is 0, so I'm not going to write anything down there. Right, times the bottom, which is 3x plus 1 minus, right, the top guy, which is 3x squared minus 4x minus 7 times the derivative of the bottom guy, which is just 3. Right? So multiply it all out, we'll get, right? So 6x times 3x, so that's 18x squared, and the 6x times 1 is 6x, right? Negative 4 times 3x is negative 12x. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Right? Right, minus. Right? Right, don't forget that this minus sign applies to all terms, but I'm going to just apply 3 times 3 is 9 and x squared. Right, maybe I'll do it this way, so that. And 3 times negative 4x is negative 12x. Right? And 3 times negative 7 would be negative 21. Right? Then the denominator still stays the same, so quantity 3x plus 1 squared. All right, so let's simplify it a little bit further. So you have negative 12x minus negative 12x, so you can cancel those. Right? Then after that, we just have to kind of collect the like terms. Right? So let's do that. All right, let's collect the x squared term. So you have 18x squared minus 9x squared. So that's going to give you 9x squared, right? So that's the x squared term. And x term is going to be, actually there's only one x term, so here is 6x. So it's going to be plus 6x, right? Then the constant term would be -4 minus -21. So you're actually adding 21. So that would be, so -4 plus 21 would be plus positive 17. Right? So we have that. Then the denominator is still 3x plus 1 squared. All right, so let's type that in. All right, so that's going to be 9x squared plus 6x plus 17 divided by quantity 3x plus 1 squared. All right, so let's check the answer. Okay, it came back as a correct answer. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.